Hello everybody, how you doing? Well, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the middle of the week. It's Wednesday, it's happy hump day, it's etc etc blah blah blah. Well, I hope you're all doing well, looking after yourself, doing what you can. Like I say, it's the middle of the week, it's hump day. That means tonight is bike night. And we're going to go there via HBB Motorcycles. And I'm glad that person's no longer up much off. So we're going to go around there via HBB Motorcycles. We're going to see old Darren, see how he's doing. A little ride while we get there, and then we'll probably go to the meet later and then home from there. And hopefully my son will be doing me dinner, so that'd be interesting. And see what he cooks for me this time. So for now, roll the intro. Okie dokie, welcome back all. Right. Now, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, welcome back. Now, it's a bit of a weekend going on this weekend. A few events coming up this weekend. The big one is the Milton Keynes or MK Bike Show. That's on this Sunday the 3rd of July. And what we're doing is, or what I'm doing, is I'm going to be at the McDonald's in Leighton Buzzard. There's only one, it's on the bypass, you can't miss it. I'm going to be there from about 9:15 in the morning. And we're planning on leaving there about 9:45, so just enough time for a coffee and a pea stop. I'm going to be taking, there's a few of us going to be there, we're going to be taking a scenic twisty ride to the Milton Keynes Bike Show. So if you want to come along and join us, that's Leighton Buzzard McDonald's. Be there for about 9:15. If you're there after 9:45, I will have already gone. And that's this Sunday. It is the same day as the Formula 1 Grand Prix, so a lot of petrol heads won't be going out and about. But it's the first MK Bike Show we've had for 3 years, I think. 2 years of COVID, and I think it was cancelled the year before due to some admin problems. But who's going to be at the MK Bike Show? Well, I know Red Bomb's is going to be there with his employer, Eclipse Motorcycles. I know they're definitely going to be there. Who else is going to be there? We don't know. But I'm sure it'll be bike related and bike related stuff. And if you have a look for the MK Bike Show, I believe there is a website, they're also on Facebook, and you can have a look, see yourself, and then decide if you want to come. And if you do want to join on a little ride to there, come along for one of our little rides, meet me at Leighton Buzzard McDonald's, and we shall have a nice pleasant ride there, maybe a bit spirited, but pleasant and enjoyable all the same. What route are we planning on taking? I'm not telling you. If you want to know, come along and join me. Right. God, cars everywhere. Can't overtake nothing. So we're going to head off to Darren's now. What else is coming up? July. No, sorry, August. August the 14th. I'll do another video just about it. MT Tank has organised a event down in Pulborough for a biker's mental health awareness, and that's the 14th of August. I think it's the 14th of August, I'll double check that. There is a Facebook event I will share, really. Shadow mouth's open so wide it had she had pulled out in front of me, I think she would have swallowed me and the bike. What a way to go. Anyway, yeah, so the mental health awareness by MT Tank, he's organised it. There's going to be lots there, lots of bikes, lots of people, lots of things to do, wheelie machine, but I'll do my own bit. I'll do another video just promoting that soon. And that's about all I can think of. I still haven't started up my Salad Dodgers runs because unfortunately I'm quite busy just lately. In fact, in the bike group I've had to hand off the handling of events, or the weekly meet events, to our new admin Carole, which I asked to do them for me because I'm just too busy. I've got too much on. My employer is in a dispute with my union. Those of you who know me, I'm a union rep, so we're having a bit of a dispute going on there, which is keeping me busy. And also at the same time I'm learning my Class 1 licence. So yeah, it's keeping me really busy, so I haven't got a lot of time just lately. But there you go. Alright. Now all that said, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this ride. If it goes well, I might post that up with a bit of music. And then if anything else comes up, I'll speak to you then. So for now, take care. Talk to you soon. Well, welcome back everybody. We're just about to pull into Tilsworth now, past the golf club. And we're looking for the Anchor Public House. A bit early yet, so there probably won't be anybody here yet. They might be, so you never know. There we go. Little village of Tilsworth. How pretty is this? And this poor bloke has been stood there for weeks. A Morris dancer frozen on the spot. Well, go if you're going, mate. And here we are, the Anchor Public House. It's actually a Greek restaurant stroke public house, so and they even put parking aside for us, look. Even a car park attendant this week.
Just try not to block me that door because I'm walking in there.
Right. I'll back it into that space over there.
Those two are for you anyway.
Yeah, no worries. Ugh. Not reversing. So I'm first. Lovely job. Right. See if anybody else turns up. Talk to you all shortly.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, hello again. Welcome back, everybody. Well, just done bike night at the. Oh, hello. Just done bike nights at the. Cheers, fella. Thank you very much. At the Anchor Pub in Tilsworth. Very nice. Completely forgot to get some pictures of the bikes there, but we had Phil on his Triumph. We had Dean on his BMW. Mr. Peel, Neil Peel, turned up on his Suzuki Bandit. Obviously me on mine, and Carole's dad, whose name I forget, on his Tracer Yamaha. So very nice night. There's lots of people there, obviously the usual. Charlotte and Alan. Dean already mentioned. Scott turned up in his car because he's too much of a girl to ride his bike. Neil already mentioned. Phil already mentioned. Adam, Leah, Chris, Carole with baby Tyler and Jacob, and Carole's mum and stepdad. Woohoo! Who else was there? Somebody else was there. Oh, Ratty and Gracie turned up with their little dog. We occupied a few tables and gave the Anchor pub in Tilsworth a bit of income. And now I'm heading home. Well, don't forget, if you like the video, click like and subscribe and share, as I say, class. Look me up on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Check out some of my other videos. Done some 360 videos, and if you can, pop down to see us on Sunday. Going to the MK Bike Show. Going to meet Red Bomb there. Hopefully, if he's recovered from the COVIDs. And Eclipse Motorcycles and anybody else that will be there. Apparently you can't miss Eclipse. They got the biggest stand of everybody there. So look out for them. And you'll take care of yourself and look after yourself. And as I always say, keep it rubber side down, shiny side up. And I'll talk to you all soon. Take care, all the best. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.